Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl with Erin.
Hi.
Hi. Right now we have this box. It's called Universal Yums. You know what this is?
No.
Every month you get snacks and treats from other countries. Where's this month's treat box from? Africa! Let's just go through the box and see what's here. So first we have popcorn, caramel pistachio popcorn. We have potato crisps, cake fruit chutney flavor, ginger chicken yassa plantain chips. This is a mini cake, but it looks like someone sat on it. What is this? This just says delicious savory snack, Kenyan chevda. What the heck is this?
It's like old
Oh, like
school
potato sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, and these are mango cream cookies. Should we try these?
Yeah. Ginger chicken yassa flavor
Plantain chips. Here goes breakfast. Tastes like chicken. It's not bad, actually.
Not bad. I couldn't eat the whole bag though.
No way. Maybe on a salad you can crunch these up. This is like a caramel pistachio popcorn. Oh, that smells good. Wait a minute. This is the emptiest bag I've ever seen. This is absolutely delicious. Yeah, I would buy this.
But I wish the bag was a little fuller. There's like 10 pieces in there.
Me too, but it's only 140 calories. If you want to treat yourself or others, it's a really good gift. This is Universal Yums. We're going to put a link to this down below, so in case you want to order it, it's fun. Yeah. Every month you'll get treats from another land. We're going to go now. Bye.
Bye.